Hindi, walang biro. Hindi ko alam na kayang-kaya mo pala gayahin si Martin Rivera.
This is my first time because...
Really, Mart?
Gary, my best friend, my partner, and all you can do...
But... That is Martin Rivera, ladies and
Thank you very
gentlemen.
much, Gary Valenciano!
Gary!
Thank you very much, thank you. All the people in group. Thank you. Do I look like that?
Halika
Do I
rito!
look like that?
Halika rito! Sir,
That's not the way I do it.
I know, Mart, but he does it exactly like you.
I don't do it like that. Come on, Jose Wally. I mean,
Teka, Mart.
if you're gonna do it right.
Yeah, you know, Martin, I know you don't do that. You can do whatever you want
I
to
know,
do.
bro. I don't understand.
Bira naman,
Hindi nyo naman sinasabi na dito yan.
Isa lang ang sasabihin. Isa lang ang sasabihin namin sa'yo. Sisikat ka rin. Huwag ka magalala. Mart!
Boy! Bro! Yo! Bro! Do I look like that?
Okay lang, hindi niya naintindihan yan. Sabi niya, you're looking good down.
No, do I look like that? No, you're not looking like that. But you not look like that. You look like me. No, you look like me. I look like you.
Yeah.
You like that? Aswan. So, bro, yes, you're a talk show host, right? Yeah, a talk show host. You can ask us any question. Come on,
Go
let's
ahead.
see. Okay, let's see how good you are. Okay, now come on. This is a talk show, and this is my first talk show, and we're going to get crazy about that.
Teka.
Do I talk like that?
Hala.
And our guest, ladies and gentlemen, my partner, Gary Valenciano.
Gary Valenciano.
And then over here, my twin brother is Martin.
Ay, alam mo, kung gusto mo talagang malaman kung ano yung weakness ni Martin Rivera.
Yes, sir. Hindi, sir.
Interviewin mo. Parang talk show host, pero Tagalogin mo.
Anong weakness ng isang Martin?
Anong weakness ko?
Opo.
Yung malalim na Tagalog.
Malalim na
Oo.
Tagalog.
Malalim na malalim.
Maari kitang turuan yan.
Okay. Turuan mo
Meron
ako.
pong mga tongue twister na ginagawa bago mag-Tagalog.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. Minikaniko ni Moniko ang makina ng minika ni Monica. Minikaniko ni Moniko ang makina ng minika ni Monica.
Again?
Minikaniko
Minikaniko
ni Moniko
ni Monico.
ang makina
Ang makina
ng minika
na minika
ni Monica.
ni Monica.
Minikaniko ni Moniko ang makina ng minika ni Monica.
Galing!
Ang galing!
Thank you.
Ang galing!
You can play it back slower.
Yeah. Isa pa, sir.
Oh, sige.
Ito, maiksi lang. Tulay ng Katagalugan.
Tuloy tayo again. Tuloy.
Tulay ng Katagalugan.
Tulay.
Ito na lang. Tulay.
Tulay.
Ng.
Ng.
Ka.
Ka.
Ta.
Ta.
Ga.
Ka. Ga.
Lu.
Ka. Mo. Pa. Ga.
Tulay ng Katagalugan.
Katagalugan.
Yan. Basta nakuha yung dulo.
What do you think, Gary? I have no idea. I mean,
Me too. I really don't have any idea.
I think they can do something else, but...
I was surprised. I didn't know that. It's... I got it.
Meron ginagawa ni Wally na mali.
Ano?
Sa Gary Valenciano impression. Nag-breathe ka?
Maganda yan. Maganda yan, Sir Martin. Ginagaya niya sila. Gayahin natin sila.
Sige.
Tignan natin kung magagaya naman nila tayo.
Hirap yun.
Eto, Gary B.
Wala kami ginagawa eh.
Ginaya mo si Wally.
Okay.
Gagayahin ko naman to.
Okay, go.
Okay?
Okay.
You know, everybody will have problems because you get very good. Everybody don't say upset, sometimes really bad, really. At saka laga. Yeah. Bigyan niyo nga ako ng isang music ala Gary Valenciano. Isang music lang na Gary. Mabilis, sir. Music. Kahit anong mabilis.
O tapos,
Martin.
ako gagaya kay Martin.
Luzon.
Yes, sir.
O sige, sige gagaya. Gagayahin ko si Martin Rivera.
Gagayahin ka, sir.
Oh, okay, sige, game.
You are my song, playing so softly in my heart. And I reach for you, you seem so near, so far. I hope and I pray that you'd be with me someday. I know down inside you are mine, and I'm yours. True love, or am I dreaming? Come on, everybody, sing along.
Come on!
Thank you.
How about a song? Jimmy, hit it!
Go. Ladies and gentlemen, like partners Jose and Wally, this is my partner, Martin Rivera.
Gary Valenciano, Martin, sir, thank you.
Morning starts to shine with teardrops in my eye. Here I am alone, starting to realize that my daily desire, I could learn to hide the feelings that I have for you.
It's hurting me inside.
But when you say that you love me and show you that yes I can say when I need you, if you'll always be there. But if you go and leave me, this I swear is true, my love will always be with you. Jose, Martin Rivera, thank you very much, sir. Maraming service ako. Wala naman sa
Puso mo yung song? 3, 4, 6.
Now my lines are dead with just one word that you hold me in your arms. That days would be brighter. I could learn to hide the feelings that I have for you. Keep hurting me inside. Every day. Will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go and leave me, this I swear it's true. My love
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.